7 ways to get capital. This video is for somebody who is actually starting out. And if you are wondering where people actually get capital to start their businesses, then this video is for you. My name is Dr. Emmanuel Amukun and I'm the founder of Marvel's Dental Hospital here in Uganda. So 7 ways people get capital. The first one is to get a rich boyfriend or a rich girlfriend. If you think that this doesn't actually work, don't take my word for it. I'm sure you probably know Sylvia Owori. Owori. Yeah, that one, of Miss Uganda. Do you know how she got her first capital? Well, let's not speculate because we are not here to do gossip. Let's get it straight from the horse's mouth because she was actually asked this question.
Did you have any money to start a little small business of yours?
I come from a very humble background.
Yeah, did you have capital to start? Where did you get it from?
I didn't. I had a rich boyfriend. Marrying to money.
And there comes the answer. So, if you have access to a rich boyfriend or a rich girlfriend, you never know. You could actually get that much needed capital that you have been looking for to start your business. The second way people get capital is to inherit it. And of course, this is for the lucky few. You can inherit the money from your relative or your parents. You could use that money and you start a business. The third way people get capital to start their businesses is to win prize money. If you are talented, for example, if you are an athlete, you could win a race and the win comes with a medal and the medal has money attached. And you could use that money to start a business. But also, it could be any other competition. Maybe it is a pitch competition, a business pitch competition. For example, Inspire Africa, that used to happen back then. If you get involved in one of those competitions and you perform well and you win the prize money, then you can use that money as your starting capital to open that business. The fourth way people can get capital is to win a lottery. But I'm sure you know how hard it is to win a lottery. And by lottery, I'm including all other things like sports betting and all other forms of gambling. Well, trying to get your capital through this means is very difficult because those machines are designed to benefit the business person who put them, not you who goes to gamble, who is trying to win some money. It is for that reason that it makes it very difficult for anybody to win significant money that you could actually use as your capital. But if you are one of the lucky few and you win that money, then you shouldn't waste it. Put it to good use and use it as your capital and start your business. The fifth way people get capital is actually to steal it. Well, I don't recommend that you should steal money to use as capital. First of all, it's because I believe that for your money to multiply, it must be blessed money. And I believe that money that is stolen does not come with a blessing. You cannot steal somebody's money, put it in your business and expect to prosper. You cannot expect God to put a blessing that will multiply your money when you have stolen it from somebody else who worked hard to earn that money. So I completely don't recommend this method of getting capital. Please don't steal anybody's money. Now that we have realized that the first 5 ways we have talked about are not accessible to most of us or are not within our reach, that leaves us with 2 other ways of getting capital. And which ones are these? Well, let's hear what Mr. Patrick Bitature, one of our biggest business people in Uganda here, have to say about the 2 best ways to get capital.
Only 2 ways left to get money. One way is you have to earn it, you have to work. If you get a job, it may pay you little, but earn some money, earn a little bit of money and show people that you can earn. And if you can prove that you have the ability to earn, Then you can go to the last method, which is to borrow.
There you have it. From the people who know the path, they have walked the way and they know the right thing to do. Get a job, save some money, use the money to start a business. Once you have demonstrated that you can actually earn and you are disciplined, then the seventh is to borrow. Having said that, you can actually start a business without using any capital. If you want to know how, just watch this video here. And if you want to know the 7 businesses that you can start without using any capital, then check out this video here and I'll see you in the next one.